My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the website Managecompletelswiftinfo-file.info. This is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. This website tries to mislead people, and in one case, it may force people into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to confirm that people are humans and not robots. But in some other cases, these pop-ups try to make people download and install certain unwanted browser extensions that may hijack some browser settings. Anyway, if you see these pop-ups, don't ever interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. I recommend you to leave this page by simply going to the menu, more tools, then choose extensions, and if you find any third-party extensions here, disable them and delete them. I also recommend that you carefully examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start thoroughly researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.